Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got a really gorgeous mulberry lily to show you today, and this is in the size medium, and it's in this lovely glossy goat's leather, which you can just see the quality and the shine of that. It's gorgeous. So we'll talk you through the features. So we've got either double top handles in this leather and chain plaited strap, or it's also adjustable, so if you just wanted to pull it through like that, you can see you've got one single longer shoulder strap as well. And then attached to that shoulder strap we have got that mulberry, classic mulberry cloche, and that has got mulberry padlock poking at the bottom there as well. And then on this flap closure, again, we've got that classic mulberry postman's lock. Now I'll open that up and show you inside. So inside we've just got one zipped pocket at the back there. So the condition of this lily, just pop it closed again. It is pretty much brand new. It's in an excellent condition. You can see all of it. It's just gorgeous. All the hardware as well still has that plastic sealing on it. So I'll open that up again so you can see all that sealing on it. Even on the little mulberry tag inside, that actually still has the plastic sealing on it. So that is why we've called it excellent all around, because it is just in a really gorgeous condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have got little mulberry card sleeve, and inside there got the mulberry care guide, and then we also have little mulberry product tag, and finally mulberry dust bag too. So if you wanted to know the exact measurements for this bag, go to the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop this exact mulberry on our website, so armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we do have a request list for mulberry, and there's especially a lot of you on there for the lily. So if you did really have this in mind and you're hoping for it and you're sad you've missed out on it, all you have to do is just let us know that you love it, send us through an email or fill out the contact us form on our website, and then we'll pop you on that list. And that means as soon as we get in another one, we will let you know, and then hopefully you can be one of the first to have a look at it. And that applies to any bag that you have in mind as well. So whatever it is, just let us know and we'll pop you on our request list. So again, the exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and you can have it, sorry, you can have it with those double top handles. And it's not too long. I really like where it sits on me. So again, I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and so it sits really nicely and comfortably. And that leather, that glossy goat leather, is just so tactile and comfortable. Or if you wanted to, you could again pull that strap through, and then you've got a nice long shoulder strap as well. So you can pop that on your shoulder, or it's long enough then to pop crossbody too. And it's just such a gorgeous little design. It's just so classic mulberry looking with that, again, I'll just pop that to the front so you can see it, that mulberry cloche and padlock there, and the mulberry postman's lock, and it's just lovely and simple, but really classy and kind of elegant as well. So a gorgeous bag. Again, if you wanted more details on it, if you want the link to shop, go to the description below. While you're on our website, you'll find the option to sign up to our newsletter. Sign up to that and we'll keep you updated with all the beautiful Arm Candy that we're getting in. We're getting new stuff in all the time, so keep an eye out on that. And when you sign up to our newsletter, we will also send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. And also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell With Us page. So if you have any bags, any beautiful bags like this one that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, all the details you need to know about selling with us are on that page. So have a read through that process. Like this video while you're here, and if you're a bag lover like we are, subscribe to our channel, and then you don't miss out on any gorgeous pieces of Arm Candy that we have to show you. And we'll see you later with some more.